Let's learn how to log in into Storyboard tab. So you need to click on Google uh, Storyboard tab. You click on it. The first is this. You need to click on that, and then it will take you here. So you can see I get logged out because I have already logged in. So you can see here logged in now because I have logged out of my account. Okay. So we are going to show you how to register into your Storyboard that. So I have to click on login, and now you need to click. There are two processes. One is from Google. When you click on Google, it will ask you your email ID, and click on the email ID. Once you click on the email ID, it will come directly here, and then you can start your create a storyboard. Start in this process. So again, there is another process to log in, that is you click on login and you can click on register. You can write your username, like that is your name, and for example Ananya. Then you have to give a small dash and write 123. This is registration. Okay, then you write your email ID with which you want to that, and the password should be A capital and ANYA small letter. Then you need to again give a dash. The same user ID is your password 123. I need to click on I read and understand and sign up. This is also, now it will ask you Ananya is already there. Then you need to give another user ID, like for a case 456, and password same A capital and ANYA, give a dash and 456, so that it's easy for you to remember. Accept and sign up. So there they says my email ID is there. This email ID is already there, so I'm going to use another email ID. So, and the password should be the same, so I'm copying it and pasting it here. Same user ID, same password. So maybe I can write here this and paste it here. Or now I can change it. If you have a big name, then you can give it this way. And back. Same user ID. Remember, you need to use numbers. So 1, 2, 3. So Mridu dash Chanda 1, 2, 3. Same password and sign up. Yes, now we are signed up into Storyboard tab. You can see it will ask you to your user ID and then your password. So you need to save it. Okay, so that you do not forget. You save it into Google. Now here next comes is create a storyboard. After that you need to create a storyboard, and then you will see below you can see some buttons, blue color buttons. Okay, here this first button is called layout button. The first thing is you need to click on the layout button. Here you need to click on title, description, and then 6 cells, means 6 pages you are going to get, and say let's go. Once you're done, please click on the save button, because since you're on internet, you need to save it. Now I'm going to write my dog story, and you can give any description that this story is about my dog, this and how I brought him, how I got him, or how I treat him well, whatever is your story, and then save storyboard. It will take some time, so you have to be patient. Okay, children. Once it's saved, you can see here down your storyboard. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to click on edit. You get back your storyboard. Okay. Now the second step is you need to write here your scenes, SCENE, scene 1. Okay. Similarly, you need to write here scene 2, and here you need to write scene 3. Down you come and write scene 4. Here you can write scene 5, and here you need to write scene 6. Yeah. In this video I'll share until this. In the next video I'm going to share about how to make your